Hi, everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove your fund password on Bybit. If you no longer want to use the fund password you previously set on your Bybit account, here's how to delete it. First, open the Bybit app and tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Then, click the J icon at the top right corner to access your settings. In your settings menu, select Security. Once you're in the Security section, tap on Fund Password. Then, choose Unlink Fund Password. To proceed, you'll need to enter the verification code sent to your registered phone number. Tap Get Code to receive it. Once the code arrives, enter it along with your current fund password. If you don't remember your fund password, tap on Change Fund Password, then select Forgot Passcode to reset it. After successfully resetting the password, you'll be able to turn it off. Once done, tap Confirm and log back into your account. Your fund password will now be removed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.